Assalamualaikum and hi everyone! Today's video is about photo forensic impugned image that I believe a lot of people never heard about it. Before we go further, let me introduce my partner Hamiza and I'm Syazana Ayuni as the presenter in this video. First, let's get to know about the photo forensic. Photo forensic as a term we typically refer either to the profession dedicated to authenticating digital image to determine authenticity. So, in this video, we will guide you how to analyze fake photo by using the photo forensic website. Maybe, through this video, you can be as a professional photo forensic after this. Let's go!
Alright guys, before we go further, please make sure that you already has the impugned photo. Okay, now open your Google Chrome and search photo forensic. Alright, now as you can see here, there are many types of website of photo forensic, so please choose the top one. So this the photo forensic website that we will use to make the magic happen. So there are two options here for upload, which are image URL and upload file. But for today, we will use second option. Please choose the photo image that we want to analyze and then upload it. Once you upload the photo, it will be like this. Okay, now let's take a look at this. As you can see in the screen here, at the center here is the main image. The main image shows the picture that we choose before being analyzed. Alright, at the left side, you can see the analyzer. So the analyzer is the result we show when the analyzer is being selected. Below the analyzer here is list set of adjustment to perform additional tasks such as rotating the picture like this. Alright, let's scroll below here. Alright, below the main image is result area. It permits viewing the sources and analysis side by side. And the bottom here is the various link. Alright, without wasting any time, let's jump to our main objective in analyze the impugned photo. Okay guys, let's look at the first item on the analyzer, which are digest. So, what is the function digest here? Okay guys, file digest is a short digital summary of the file. So, here we can see the file name, file type, and many more. Okay, let's say if you see the file name here not same as what you said, then you will know you are choosing the wrong file actually. Okay, now let's jump to ELA. ELA stands for Error Level Analysis. So these tools permits identifying areas within an image that are different compression level. There are several things we can look here, such as the texture and the surface. You can see here the texture of the bird, moon, and the mountain are more rough than the others. This shows that the photo has been edited. We can also see the difference in surface. See, those three things color are different too. Okay, now let's take a look at hidden pixels. Okay. Graphical application do not always display every pixel in a picture, okay you guys? Next part is the ICC+. So, below here, it emulates rendering picture as it will seen in different application. Image file store one set of color. Alright, let's jump to JPG percentage. Amount of JPG compression is typically measured as a percentage of high quality level. image 1% quality has almost no loss. Quality level will impact visual quality image. Okay, let's move on to the metadata. Most pictures not just have photo but also contain information about the photo. See? Okay, then take a look at string. Here is the binary data. Okay, let's go here. String. As you can see here, there are so many numbers. So this is the binary data and the structure. Here, analyzer can detect if there any parasite. And lastly is the source. Alright. After all the analysis, we can clearly see that this photo has been impugned. From this video, we really hope you guys can understand how photo forensic works. Alright, I think that's all from us. Please drop your comment below and don't forget to like and share. I think that's all. See you soon. Bye.